Democratic debate is all about lively discussions between people with different opinions, but sometimes the debate is manipulated. An often used tactic is called polarization. It means boosting the most extreme points of views while making all the opinions in between disappear. Stay with me to find out how this kind of manipulation works and why it is a danger to democracy. Democracy is built on debate and exchange of opinions. To reach a solution on a common problem, we discuss, present our best arguments, and listen to the arguments of others. If somebody wants to distort this way of decision-making, they can do this by making us focus only on what divides us and forget what unites us. They boost and exaggerate the most extreme opinions and arguments while trying to hide everything that is moderate or nuanced. This kind of manipulation makes us believe that the differences between us are much greater than they really are. It also makes it difficult or even impossible to make compromises and reach solutions. What's the danger? See what our expert has to say about it.
When more moderate viewpoints disappear from the discussion, we stop talking to each other and stop looking for compromises and solutions. We are stuck. It's a vicious circle. Artificial polarization turns into real polarization, which is then artificially boosted again. We start to demonize each other instead of seeing each other as fellow citizens with slightly different points of view. Different opinions become unsolvable problems. In some cases, such conflicts can even lead to physical attacks and aggression.
The goal of polarization is to paralyze democratic decision-making, and this undermines citizens' trust in democracy as a system. Imagine a school where students get the chance to decide what food should be offered in the canteen. Students draw lists of their favorite dishes and prepare the vote. Now imagine someone decides to boost two fundamentally opposed suggestions. Let's call them vegan and meat only. Only the students behind these ideas get to present them in the classroom and on the social media of the school. Most students find it hard to get their voice heard, and many avoid the topic because of the harsh tone. But some join one of the two extremes since they seem to be the only voices that count. In the end, the chances of agreeing on a new menu are tiny and the atmosphere at school becomes unpleasant. Instead of student participation, the polarized debate leads to blocked decision-making and distrust in democracy. The same could happen in real life. What can you do? Be alert if the discussion is completely dominated by extreme points of view and aggressive rhetoric. Ask yourself if it's a genuine debate between two very different opinions, or if it could be that these opinions are used as tools to destroy the discussion. Can you think of other viewpoints that do not get any space? If you think that the debate is being polarized, insist on dialogue, nuances, and willingness to compromise. Talk to people with different opinions. Be curious and have an open mind. Search for common ground. Points where you agree with each other, even though your opinions on some aspects are far away. Maybe you both care about having better food in the canteen. So to recap, disinformation can take the form of polarization, boosting extreme viewpoints while hiding everything in between. Beware of debates where only aggressive extremes are present. If you think the debate is manipulated, search for common ground and things that unite.